Vivo just launched a new budget phone, the Vivo Y50i, and honestly, it's packing features you don't usually see at this price. A huge battery, smooth display, and even some AI tools, all for around $210. Let's break it down. The Vivo Y50i comes with a 6.74-inch LCD panel, rocking an HD Plus resolution, a 90Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of brightness. So whether you're scrolling socials or streaming, it's designed to feel smooth and bright, even outdoors. Plus, you've got TUV Rhineland low blue light certification and dark mode to keep your eyes comfortable under the hood. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chip, the same one used in some mid-range phones, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Not bad for a budget device. Now here's the real highlight, a 6000 mAh battery. That's massive. It only supports 15-watt charging, so it's not the fastest, but the size of that battery should easily get you through more than a day. For cameras, you're looking at a 13-megapixel rear shooter and a 5-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. Nothing too flashy, but pretty standard for this price point. On the software side, it runs Origin OS 5 based on Android 15, and you even get some AI-powered tools like AI Erase. Other extras include Bluetooth 5.4, a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio fans, and dual SIM support. Pricing starts at 1,499 yuan. That's roughly $210 for the 6GB plus 128GB model. And you can grab it in 3 colors: diamond black, azure, and platinum. Oh, and by the way, Vivo also announced the Y31 Pro and Y31 models in India this week, keeping the budget-friendly lineup growing. So, what do you think? Would you consider the Vivo Y50i for its big battery and smooth display, or is it missing something you really need in 2025? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love keeping up with the latest phone launches, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.